नमस्ते मम्मी, कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ। आप कैसे हो बेटा?
मैं ठीक हूँ, लेकिन अब मैं बूढ़ी हो गई हूँ और मेरी जॉइंट्स में थोड़ी सी दर्द है, जॉइंट पेन्स।
ओह, कोई बात नहीं। मैं भी बूढ़ी हो गई, हमारी एज में जॉइंट पेन तो होती है।
I should say here that Mummy and I are nowhere near the same age. She is in her 70s and I have recently entered my late 30s. But still, she was a wealth of knowledge.
क्या आपके पास कोई रेमेडीज है, होम रेमेडीज जॉइंट पेन्स के लिए?
हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा मेरे पास रेमेडी है। मैं हल्दी होती है ना, हल्दी टर्मरिक, उसको यूज करती हूँ। अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठ के पानी के बीच में घोल के उसको हाफ टी स्पून ले सकती हूँ, रात को दूध में डाल के, तो उससे मेरे को पेन्स का बहुत आराम है। हल्दी का पैक बना के एलोवेरा जेल के साथ मिक्स करके जिस जॉइंट पे आपके दर्द है वहां भी यूज कर सकते हो। वो बहुत ही उससे हल्दी से आराम मिलता है। हल्दी में 100 से ज्यादा बीमारियां करने के फायदे होते हैं।
अच्छा मम्मी, मैं ज़रूर ट्राई करूँगी।
और हल्दी का करो प्रयोग, हमेशा रहो निरोग।
Hi, welcome to my video, and if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. I'm Aneela and I post recipes every Monday that are either vegetarian or vegan, and I post other creative content on Thursdays, and that's what I'm doing today. Today's video is actually a product review, and I hope that you enjoyed the little skit that I put together. It was just something that I wanted to do to sort of introduce this video to give you a bit of context. I am reviewing a product for the first time, and this is a new thing for me. I've never had a product sent to me for the purpose of review, so I'm really grateful to Opportuniteas, which is the company that sent me the product that I'm gonna review. And I'm not trying to be mysterious by not telling you the product name. I just wanted to make sure that I thank them because I really do appreciate this opportunity from Opportuniteas, and let you know that there is in fact a product behind this video. At this point, if you're still watching, you're probably thinking like, well, what is this product already? Because you just keep talking about it, but you haven't even showed us. This is the product. It's the organic turmeric tea powder from Opportuniteas. Now you see the connection, because in the little skit, I talked to my mother-in-law about the benefits of haldi, which is turmeric in Hindi. There's already a ton of information out there, but I'm going to tell you that turmeric has long been used in Western medicine as well as in Ayurvedic and Eastern medicine. And I've even told this story on my channel before, where I showed up at a vocal class one day and I had such a sore throat, and my singing teacher immediately mixed turmeric in some warm milk and gave it to me, and she was like, you need to have this. You need to have this until your throat gets better. And so I have since then, believed in the healing properties of turmeric. And I also have a lemongrass and turmeric broth on my channel that I really enjoy during the winter. So from that perspective, it wasn't completely out of left field for me to try this product and share my opinion, because I already believe in the benefits of turmeric and I have already been using turmeric in so many of my videos. So I'm gonna link all those recipes for you, and let's get into the review. Before I go into great detail about it, I want to just give you my first impression. This product came to me about 10 days ago, and I've been using it every single day in different ways. I've made tea out of it, lattes, I've put it in smoothies. So I have been doing my best to really consume it in as many ways as possible. And I've really been enjoying the process overall. I was very excited when it came. I had just come upstairs from the gym and I immediately unboxed it, shared it on Instagram, and I was very surprised initially at the size of the packaging because it's a small pouch. I mean, for scale, here's my head, here's the pouch. Each pouch contains 30 servings, so this is a month's worth of this product if you were to consume it every day. And I like the fact that it comes with its own little scoop, the scoop that you should use for dispensing this product, and that is how you get 30 servings out of this pouch. This doesn't tell you that you have to consume it every day. This thing is not trying to give you medical advice in any way. It's a dietary supplement. So if you're someone who is looking to add more turmeric into your diet, then this is an option for you. It's not trying to tell you that you have to take it. I think it's also important to know what your goals are for starting this, new pattern of behavior. I think the main reason that someone like me would be interested in consuming turmeric is joint pain and inflammation, hopefully getting some relief for that. Now, full disclosure, the reason why I have joint pain and inflammation is not because I'm suddenly in my late 30s. It's because I have a condition called AVN, which is avascular necrosis. That was my goal in trying this product, is that if I could get some alleviation in addition to what I'm already doing, that would be great. And if not, well, no harm done, right? Other things that I really liked about this product before I even opened it up was the fact that it clearly tells you that it's gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO, which I appreciate. It's USDA organic, so great. Another thing is this right here, 1% for the planet. So if you're not familiar with that, then 1% for the planet is made up of businesses and companies who commit to donating 1% of their net profits toward environmental causes. And this particular company, actually, of Opportuniteas, their 1% goes toward solving problems that contribute to climate change. So I especially appreciated that. As a geography teacher, I was very happy to know exactly where this particular 1% is going. So already before even opening this up, I really liked where it was coming from, and I was very hopeful that I would enjoy this product. On the back is all of the ingredients, as well as the directions. So, you mix 1 scoop into 8 ounces of your favorite beverage. So it can be water, juice, smoothie, and more. Some settling is normal. And then it tells you what is in here, and it's not a lot, which is great because you don't want a product that's made up of a whole bunch of other products that you don't really know what they are. So this contains turmeric. It also contains matcha green tea, cinnamon, ginger root, and black pepper. When I opened it up, I was immediately struck with the beautiful smell of this product. And it smelled really comforting and familiar to me, not the turmeric so much or the matcha, but the elements of the cinnamon, ginger root, and black pepper I just loved because I use those when I make masala chai. And so to me, this had kind of a familiar smell. And then the color was very surprising because it says organic turmeric tea. And as we all know, turmeric is yellow. It's almost like a goldenrod color. If you're a painter, it's kind of that particular yellow. And when you open this up, this product is not yellow. It's green. So I was a little surprised by that, but there is quite a bit of matcha in this powder, and I figured that, that is probably why the color is the color that it is. But I was not offended by the color. I thought it was quite pretty, but just be prepared. This is not yellow. It's not orange. It's green. I'm actually consuming this product right now. I'm having it as my second breakfast. For all of the Tolkien fans out there, I needed to finish half of a banana. And so I blended it up with some milk and 1 scoop of the organic turmeric tea. And this is my favorite way to enjoy this product because the issue of the settling is not even an issue. It doesn't settle in smoothie format at all. So this actually brings me to my one and only fault with this product. I like everything else about it. I like the smell, I like the color, I like how easy it is to combine in things. So the one thing that I would find fault with is just the fact that it always settles. So if you were to make this in a coffee or as a tea or as a latte or anything like that, it will settle at the bottom of the glass. You're gonna have to constantly, agitate your glass or your cup a little bit, or have a spoon nearby to make sure that you're stirring it continually because it settles. And I'm quite literal, so although it says some settling is normal, I kind of just wish that it said settling is normal. Because this is not some settling, this is consistently settling all the time, and it's not some settling, I would say that it's quite a bit of settling. When you're drinking this, unless you're moving the liquid around all the time, you are going to be met with a bit of a powdery texture in those formats. It will not all dissolve, some of it will settle, and you will feel that powder in your mouth. So if you're someone who doesn't like that sensation, doesn't mean you can't enjoy this product, it just means that probably a smoothie is your best bet. Now, as I mentioned, that really is the only fault that I would find with it. I really like the flavor of this. The flavor is quite good. It's good, it's tasty. I mean, that brings me to the flavor. The flavor, I think, is quite enjoyable. There are elements of it that I find very familiar because I use a lot of ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper almost on a daily basis. I put cinnamon in smoothies anyways, and then ginger and black pepper go into masala chai. So does cinnamon. So these are flavors that are very familiar to me and that I enjoy. So I quite liked the flavor of this product. And I think it's something that works whether you sweeten it or not. You can enjoy it both ways. I think that brings me to the end of this product review, this first product review that I have ever done. And I really enjoyed the process. So again, I just want to say thank you so much to Opportuniteas for sending me this organic turmeric powder. I want to call it by the right name. Oh, no, it's fine. Organic turmeric tea powder. Thank you so much for sending this to me. And if you are interested in this specific product, I will link it below. If you are interested in consuming more turmeric, I think that's really great. Just do your research, talk to your family physician or a healthcare provider and make sure that it's something that will work for you. But if you do want to check out this specific product, I will link it below. And you can read about the story behind this product, which is quite touching. And I won't get into it here because it's a personal story. You can read it the way it was intended to be read on the website. And once again, thank you so much for spending time with me, watching my video and appreciating my work. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel because, as I said, I post recipes every Monday. They're either vegetarian or they're vegan, and then I post other creative content on Thursdays, anything from travel to wellness, like today, lifestyle videos. And I would really appreciate it if you were to show my channel some love, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. All right, I will see you next week with a recipe. All right, bye-bye.